Okay, folks, Mr. Ralph here, and this is all about there are no more gatekeepers. If you really take a look at what's going on in the world today when it comes to providing information and taking that information and making a living from it. So, I'm going to talk about auto salespersons. And currently, right now, I have never seen a commercial done by a car salesperson, right? Where they would take their actual phone and go out to that new or used vehicle and go through the vehicle with wonderful features and just showing those features and popping the hood and showing the hood and talking about the specs of the engine and talk about why this is a good car. I haven't seen that done. And since there are no more gatekeeper, and the gatekeeper in this situation would simply be the dealership itself running ads and getting those leads to come to the dealership, and then the dealership using their discretion to send those leads out to the different salespeople. Well, if you are the salesperson and you have a phone, doesn't matter what version phone you have, as long as it has a camera on it, go and do what I just said. Take a look at that car, go through the specific features of the car, inside and out, and start yourself a Facebook group, right? Where you show used cars. And Facebook will start to send out your group to people in your area to see if they want to join. You can also invite those people to join your group and share this video that you just made. Also take that same video, upload it to YouTube under the same channel, because people are looking for information about these vehicles. So what better person than the salesperson to do that for the vehicle, right? Now, the other thing what you want to do is create some type of funnel system where you're capturing the name and email and phone number of that particular person that is in the market for automobile, because you create the leads. If you decide to go to a different dealership and you want to let your past purchasers or past folks that were looking for a car know that you're at a different dealership, now you can just simply send them an email. If you want to update them with new vehicles that are coming in, new or used, you can create a used car, new car email. It's really easy to do that. So there are no more gatekeepers, and you could be the number one salesperson in that dealership selling all the cars, because when they find out about the vehicle, they're finding out about it from your private group, from your YouTube, and those two mediums just send the stuff out for free for you. They're going to put those in the rotation, and you're going to get more and more people to join your community. So y'all reach out to me if you need some help setting up those funnels. Information will be in the description of this video. And listen, there are no more gatekeepers, so there's no excuse for jumping on and using social media. And I didn't even mention the TikToks and the Snaps and the Instagrams that you could do the same thing with, and just utilize those tools to grow your income. All right, y'all make it a great one.